Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock this Catseye bobber skin in Fish It Game Roblox Classic update. Okay, this is one of the new bobber skins from this update, guys. And if you want to get this Catseye skin, you need to go to this menu. Wait, let me show you. Go to the quest menu and select the classic event. And here you can purchase the Catseye bobber skin. And if I'm not mistaken, it costs 3k ticks. So first, make sure that you have enough ticks. You can farm the ticks by fishing at the classic island, or you can go to this machine, guys. There is new machine from the latest update. You can use this machine to get 100 free ticks. You just need to watch ad. You can also go to the classic school right here and open up the locker. And if you're lucky, you will get 500 ticks for free. Okay, you can go to this area and you're going to talk to this principal to get locker key and open up the locker. And oh, I got pencil lantern. Oh, I found 500 ticks. And yeah, that's how you can farm the ticks to buy the Catseye bobber skin. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Catseye bobber skin in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!